Hey, Chef Andy here in the back lab with the test kitchen here at Wellville. Today we're going to be using DCTI from Lincoln. We're going to cook 3 different things here today. We're going to do bone marrow. We're going to do some garlic toast for that bone marrow. We're also going to do some fresh chocolate chip cookies. Just do a little bit of herb oil on that. Fresh salt and pepper. So now we're going to cook in the Lincoln DCTI. A lot of people think it's just a pizza oven. We're not using pizza today. What we're going to cook is the bone marrow. We're going to get it out of control. We have 4 different settings. We're going to cook everything at 500 degrees. The bone marrow is going to already set. It's going to go in for 7 minutes. All right, next we're going to do our garlic toast to go with the bone marrow. We're going to use our controller here. Got setting number 2. Still going to stay at 500 degrees. We're going to use the impingement for 2 minutes to create that even color, continuous cooking. Now that our garlic toast is done, for 2 minutes, you can see the even cook. All right, now we're going to go back to our digital controls one more time. We're going to hit number 3. And then we're going to cook our cookies. Again, we're keeping it at 500 degrees. We're going to cook these in 3 minutes. Always when you're setting, you want to set it before it's the oven cavity to ensure consistent, even cook. In 2 minutes, we got our even cookies. So with the DCTI by Lincoln, it shows the flexibility. So we've done bone marrow with garlic toast, and we've actually done cookies. So it really shows the flexibility of impinging cooking. Think away from pizza and flatbreads and do something different. Think outside the box. Another thing too, certified ventless. You can stack them, no hood. That's a DCTI by Lincoln. Need impingement? Contact your local food service representative for your Lincoln products.